Sitting for prolonged periods can shorten and tighten your hip flexor, which often leads to poor posture, lower back pain, and even tension throughout your body. But don't worry, in today's session, I'll guide you through 3 simple but powerful yoga poses that will help release tension in your hip flexor. So if you're ready, let's begin. So we're going to step on our mat, okay, on our knees, tuck your toes, hands around the back, your 4 fingers pointing downwards, your thumb around your waist. Gently shift the hips forward, expand the chest upwards. Just feel your hips moving forward, okay, and then your chest shining upwards towards the sky, stretching the neck and face up and breathing deeply, okay, feeling the release in the front part of body. And then from here, we're going to slowly go into the counter posture, go into our child's pose, releasing all the tension in your neck, shoulders, and lower back. Next, we're going to practice the modified pigeon pose. So let's come on our on 4s and slowly move your right knee forward. We're going to sit on our right heel and just making sure that our hip is square. We're not lopsided, palms down, and just shine the chest forward. You're going to feel a deep release on the opposite leg, which is your left hip flexor, your left quads. Only if you're comfortable, you can move your hands slightly closer to you and lift the chest up, shining the chest forward, shoulders down. Do not stress the neck. And make sure your left hip bone is still moving forward, okay? So do not sink to one side. Now remember to practice on the other side too. And then we slowly go into downward facing dog for our counter posture. So stretching our back, aware that our head is not dangling. Keep the head between the arms. All right, have a nice long stretch here. And next, let's slowly lie down on the mat. We're going to go to our 3rd yoga pose that I'm going to share with you today, which is the yoga bridge pose, Sendubadasana. So from here, the fingertips touching the heels and we move the hips up. Now I just want to be aware that our knees are hip distance apart, our feet hip distance apart. If there's no tension neck and shoulders, you can interlock the fingers here, like how I show you right now. Stretching again the front part of the body, moving the hips up. And then as you come back down, lower the palms down. And let's go to counter posture, knees towards the chest. Gently roll the head sideways, release any tension in the neck and shoulders. And from here, we're going to slowly roll to one side and come up to a sitting position. Now, many of us are very busy, caught up with our really tight, busy schedule. So we just need a short yoga practice like this. Now, if you like content like this or practice tips like this, I'd like to invite you to join me in my free newsletter. So there's a link below. You can join me in my free newsletter. I'll share more practice tips with you. Now, if you have more time today, I'd like to invite you to join me in a tutorial that can practice. So this is the video I'd like to share with you today. Do join me there, and I wish you a good day, and I hope to see you in the next practice. Have a great day. Continue to practice mindfully. Thank you.